In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. By the end, you'll know exactly how to embed your own HTML content into a Confluence page while avoiding the common pitfalls that can make it fail or look off. This process is straightforward, but there are a few details worth noting so everything displays cleanly and securely. Start by opening the Confluence page where you want the HTML to appear. Navigate to the page in your space as you normally would. If you're working from an existing page, that's perfect. If it's a new page, the same steps apply once you're in the editor. Make sure you have Bisha edit permissions for that page. Next, click Edit to enter the page editor. You'll see the standard editing toolbar at the top. This is where we'll insert a macro that can safely contain your HTML. In many Confluence setups, HTML content is restricted for security reasons, so your site may use the built-in HTML macro, or it may rely on a supported app from the marketplace. Either way, you're looking for an HTML macro or a supported HTML app macro that your admin has allowed. If you don't see it, check with your administrator. Access is often controlled at the space or global level. Once you have the macro, insert it into the page at the exact spot where you want the HTML to render. With the macro placeholder selected, paste your HTML code inside it. Keep in mind that some environments strip out unsafe tags or external scripts for security, so try to use clean, self-contained HTML. Inline styles are often fine, and simple embedded content typically works best. Before you publish, preview the content to make sure it displays correctly. Use the macros preview feature or the page preview to see how it will look to your readers. Check for layout issues, spacing, and responsiveness. If something doesn't appear, it may be due to blocked scripts, missing resources, or restricted tags. If needed, adjust the code or tweak the macro settings. Many macros let you set width, height, alignment, or sandboxing options. Small changes like removing an external script, switching to inline CSS, or simplifying the markup can make a big difference. When you're happy with the result, publish the page to save the embedded HTML. After publishing, give it a quick look in the live view, and if possible, test it with a typical viewer's access. That's it. Your HTML is now embedded and ready to go.